As a beginner, you have a forklift in front of you. The question is how to start a forklift. I will show you on how to start a forklift, and to do that, you need to master the button of the forklift, the handle right now. So I will show you how to start a forklift by showing you all the buttons on the forklift. But first, you need to set your seat. So before you get in a forklift, make sure you set up your seat according to your height. So like this forklift, you just have simply to lift and then push forward or backward. Push forward or backward to set up according to your height. Then to go in the forklift, you go in 3 points. 1, 2, 3. You go up. You sit on the forklift. That's how you start the forklift. First, seat belt. Make sure you put your seat belt. You put your seat belt, you are secure. You put your foot on the brake. This is the brake pedal. Put your feet there, because any movement you are doing, make sure your foot is on the brake. This one here is the clutch, and this is the accelerator. This is where I press to add more speed, or whatever we call gas. Here is the brake. Over here is the clutch. But don't drive a forklift with your 2 feet. Drive with one. Accelerator, brake, and clutch. Accelerating, brake, and clutch. So let me start a forklift. As I said, this is forward. This is for your gear. Forward to go forward. Backward to go backward. Neutral when you are stopping. So this one is your handbrake. So right now, as I'm starting, I'll press the handbrake. I'll press and push forward. Then the handbrake will be released. Let me put back. So as I said, this is the gear. Forward to drive forward. Backward to drive backward. Neutral to drive neutral. You put your hand here. One hand, right? One hand you put over here on this little ball, and then you drive with one hand. So, over this side are the handles. So let me start to show you the handle now, because this handle, you pull it to lift the fork and you push it to lower the fork. So let me start now before you can see. So right now, 1 foot on the clutch, the other foot on the brake. I started. Then I pull it to lift the fork. You see how it's going up? Yes, I'm starting. I have started the forklift. Then the same handle, I push to lower the fork. So this is the handle that allows you to lift, pick the load, to lift and pick the load, and lower to drop the load. So this third handle here, this second handle here is the tilt. So you pull it to tilt on your side, backward, and then you push it to tilt forward. Yes. This is the handle that when you pick a load, you tilt it a bit to put the load in security position so that you can move around easily. This handle here, the third one, is the shifting. Shift left and right. So if you are about to, let's say you are busy stacking the load and you realize that you couldn't stack properly, you can use this handle to try to arrange the load properly. You use this to try to position your load the way you wanted to match with the previous load that was on your stack or on your shelf. So this is the shifting. Those are the main 3 buttons.
Download the free guide at the description below that will help you to master the technique. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Other forklift, you may have another 4th one here that is made for clamp, but these forklifts don't have that fourth one. So this is the main handle that helps you to start and to drive a forklift. Again, let me restart again. Come this way. Let me restart again. This is the handbrake. I press to release. I go forward to go forward. Up. I go up. I put the reverse to go backward. Yes, that I have started the forklift. I put neutral. My forklift cannot move even if I'm pressing even I'm putting the gas. My forklift cannot move because this gear is on neutral. So lift up, down, up. I'm pulling. I stop, down, tilt, left, right, shifting left, shifting right. Yes. And then let me park it. I shift forward and then I go slowly to park. Then my feet on the brake. I pull the handbrake. The gear is the gear on neutral. I shut off my forklift. That's how you start a forklift. This is good for a beginner. I hope you learned something.
I'm so happy you are learning something from this video. But I need 2 things from you. 1, register to our mailing list down below at the description. Register to our mailing list. Why? It's because when an employer contacts me for a new high-paying job, you will be the first to know about it. 2nd, like and subscribe to my channel. Why? It's because when you do it, YouTube will recommend to more people, and that will help me a lot. Thank you very much.